every summer we had. Campfire nights with Mom and Dad. Kids in the bunk beds, rain on the roof. Life felt easy, simple and true. Then one storm rolled in and the ceiling gave way. Tiles on the floor, plans washed away. That leak stole the laughter, stole our peace, turned our family time into worry. The Everbond brought us back to the road, back to the places our hearts call home. No more stress when the rain comes down, no more watching dreams hit the ground. It sealed up the hurt, it saved what we love, gave us blue skies after the flood. Now we're back under the awning again, making memories that never end. Daddy rolled it on where the damage had been, sealed every crack, every seam, every bend. Mama smiled when the clouds came through, 'cause this time the roof held true. Now the kids are laughing like they used to do. Marshmallows burning, stars breaking through. That RV's more than wheels and chrome. It's where our family feels at home. The Everbond brought us back to the road, back to the places our hearts call home. No more stress when the rain comes down, no more watching dreams hit the ground. It sealed up the hurt, it saved what we love, gave us blue skies after the flood. Now we're back under the awning again, making memories that never end. Some things are worth saving, some roads are worth going down. Thanks to Everbond, we're family bound.